millions of fans in India who have seen me in multiple avatars over the years. But today, I'm going to step into one that deals with the national obsession, cricket. Oh, got it. Oh, yes. Yes, of course. I know exactly what this is. The umpire is saying, if I were to play cricket right now on a cricket field, they would do this to me. The umpire would do this to me. He is basically signaling, you are number one. What the umpire is saying right here, it's impossible to fit all your handsomeness and your sexiness in this one box thing. That's right. What the umpire is saying here is, who loves The Rock? We do. Helicopter shot.
Eita bezona, eu não gosto para ajeitar música. Eita sua puta de atoche, mas